As an inventor that came of age in the 1970s and 80s, I was searching for new things and searching for new knowledge and searching for that knowledge alone. I was searching alone, not by choice. I did my search alone because I was scorned, ridiculed, and rejected. I was dismissed from white research teams. According to an Igbo African proverb, quote, "A new fowl in a new land looks at the old fowls to learn how to crow in their new language," unquote. I was dismissed because I was the new fowl in the new land of the modern supercomputer. Back on June 20, 1974, I was the new fowl in the new land of the old supercomputer that solved only one problem at a time. I did not learn from the old fowls how to crow or program an isolated processor that defined the old supercomputer. Also, I am well known, but I am not known well. In the 1970s and 80s, I was punished and ostracized for challenging the belief of the supercomputer world that all supercomputers should be powered by only one isolated processor. I was called a lunatic in November 1982 after I gave a lecture on how to use 65,536 processors to solve the toughest problems arising in science and mathematics. In 1982, everybody else believed that parallel processing was a huge waste of everybody's time. For that reason, only one young scientist attended my 1982 lecture, November 1982 lecture, on how to solve the toughest problems arising in science and mathematics, and how to solve it across an ensemble of 65,536 processors that were identical and equal distances apart. To discover or invent is to make the impossible possible.